How to switch to delivery only on Instacart. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can switch to delivery only on Instacart. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to actually switch to delivery from a pickup location, instead of choosing pickup time, you want to choose a delivery. All you have to do is open up the Instacart application here. Once you launch the Instacart application, you want to make sure that you sign into the account. Then just tap the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Then normally what happens is that if you actually go to your cart page over here, once you go to your cart page and then you go to the checkout page, what happens is that it is going to ask you to select a pickup location by default, as you can see. Now let's say that you don't want to pick up, you want to select delivery. In order to switch to delivery, all you have to do is just tap the delivery option here, and now you can see our delivery address has been loaded up. I can add an address, I can choose a payment method, and I can simply place my order respectively. That's it on how I can switch to delivery only on Instacart. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.